Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change your car motor oil. The procedure is very simple, but if you're unsure, please consult with your manual or technician. I have already put my car on ramps to make the job easier. These ramps can be found at Harbor Freight or Canadian Tire for about $30. Today I'm gonna use Mobil 1 synthetic oil and FRAM oil filter. Make sure you have a funnel and pair of gloves handy. In most vehicles you'll find the oil filter near the oil plug. Locate both of them before you start working on the car. Have an oil pan ready and remove the drain plug. Place the drain plug back and tighten it just a little, don't over tighten. Now let's remove the oil filter. Unscrew the filter counterclockwise. Now prepare the new filter and put some oil in it, so when the engine starts the oil can circulate immediately. Install the new filter. Again, don't over tighten. We are ready now to put the new oil in. Put the car on level ground. Then turn the engine on for a couple of minutes to warm it up, then off. Now check the oil level on the dipstick. Don't overfill. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.